Good evening, everyone. So, this is a requested video, and someone asked me to do a video on bay leaves. So, this is a video that I am doing for that subscriber. Thank you so much for asking for this video and for supporting my channel. The subscriber also asked that if I could communicate in the video, if I could speak in the video actually, instead of writing or just listing the benefits in the video. So here I'm going to do a simple and quick recipe with bay leaves. Hi, Josh. How are you? And you might not know this, but bay leaves, they are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. They have been proven to be useful in treatments of migraine headaches. Bay leaf contains enzymes that help to break down protein and digest food faster, helping to calm digestion. So, if you're not using bay leaves, you might want to try using some bay leaves in your meal or just, sorry, my connection is bad. So, here I have some bay leaves, and I'm just going to use a few, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use 5 bay leaves, and this is basically based on the size of your bay leaves. These ones that I'm using, they're very tiny, and I prefer to use the dry bay leaves, but you can also use the green ones if you can get them in your neck of the woods. Yes, I know that the stream is freezing because I think it's my Wi-Fi. I'm sorry about that. So I'm just going to add the bay leaves, and I'm going to add some hot water. And I'm adding about 1.5 cup of hot water. Onto the bay leaves, I'm going to add some cloves. So you can add cloves or you can add ginger. All this. So you can add cloves or you can add ginger to the bay leaves. And you just want to leave this to sit on your counter for about 15 minutes. So this is probably something that you don't know. So instead of having, if you have cloves, you can add the cloves or you can add pimento seeds. But I am going to be adding some pimento leaves. So you can add the seeds or you can add the leaves. And this is a leaf that I'm adding, pimento leaf. So I'm using bay leaves with pimento leaves. And this is power packed. I can't say a lot because I'm doing live, and YouTube will take down my video if I say certain things, certain benefits for men, but you can Google your own and then you can see all the great benefits. So I'm just putting 4 of my pimento leaves with 5 of my bay leaf. And you know that honey have a lot of benefits as well. So if you want to sweeten, you can use some honey. But this is basically it. Simple, easy, and it's something that you can find in your local store. I got this in my Caribbean store. So you can use Caribbean store or West Indian store. So I got the bay leaves in my Caribbean store and also your West Indian store. If you're in Canada, you can get these at Oceans, or you can use the pimento seeds. But if you're using, how many leaves can one? Oh, so I use 5 of the pimento leaf, and I use 4 of the pimento leaf and 5 of the bay leaves. But my bay leaves are very small, if you can see them. These are the dry one, but you can use the green ones as well. They're not really available in my area. So you can also use pimento seeds. If you're using the pimento seeds, you might want to give them a little bit of grounding. And you can also use cloves. If you're using pimento seeds, you can use like 4 and ground them. Calvin. And then you can use the cloves. If you're using cloves, you might also want to add a few, like 3 cloves, because the cloves are much stronger. And if you're using the cloves powder, you can use like 1 teaspoon of the cloves powder. All right. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more video like this, please leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Join my channel. If you join my membership, you can send in your request via Instagram, Jamaican_recipe queen. And you can send in your comments via email at dhaleytv@gmail.com, or you can just leave a comment. So as I'm saying, Josh, I leave your comment on the video that you would like me to make, or send me an Instagram message. My Instagram is Jamaican_recipe queen. And join my membership, because certain videos are only for members, and I also do members only video that the public won't be able to see if you're not a member of my channel. I have membership for $3, $2 and $1.99. So they're very cheap memberships. Okay, thank you all for joining. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, see you.